Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Flood. Now Flood was a product that was released a couple of days ago by a guy called Will Allen. Now this is an unusual product in that when I actually went to review it, first I was a little bit confused because I thought this can't be the same product that they're actually linking to in the review information, because I've already reviewed this product about 6 weeks ago and it was called Profitorial. Now when we go into the members area here, and when I've looked at every other review on YouTube, everybody is reviewing Profitorial. So clearly what's happened here is this vendor has taken the white label version of Profitorial and just renamed it Flood. So it's a very strange thing to be reviewing at the moment, because basically I'm just going to tell you the same thing I did in my Profitorial review, which I left it below, that this isn't going to be very good, guys. So guys, these opinions are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information in case you come across this type of product, just so you understand exactly what you're buying. So guys, if you're interested in these types of reviews, go ahead, hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you really want to learn how to build an online business using affiliate marketing, you can copy exactly what I do every single day. I'll leave a link to a training course below. It's completely free, guys, and you can go ahead and go through that and understand what it really takes to build a business online. So we'll go through Flood. Now Flood is a software that allows you to build very simple pages that aren't actually yours, but very simple pages, and add affiliate links, and then apparently get floods of free traffic in 45 seconds. So we're going to go through it. I'll jump into the members area, and again, just so you know, this is Profitorial. This is the actual product you're buying, not Flood. That's been completely made up. All they've done is created a shiny sales page. And by the way, guys, you can get a $7 discount. This pop-up is doing my head in. Every single time I come off this page, this flashes up. So bit of a cash grab to me. So this is Profitorial. Let's jump into the members area. Now I'm going to review Profitorial for you, exactly the same as I did here in April the 12th 2021. So Profitorial itself is a page builder. You get some training here. Now this is the training. You get a demo. This is Sean, one of the original creators of this product. Him and Jason Fulton did this 6 weeks ago. And you're getting all the same training. It's all the same. It's copied and pasted across. If you've ever got Profitorial, you'd know what not to buy this. So here are the pages. You'll see a lot of these pages are actually impersonating or copying across well-known websites. You can't do that. It's copyright. You're not allowed to impersonate any of these types of websites. And in doing that, you're infringing their copyright, so you can get in trouble. So I just go along and click this mirror one. Let me see if I can do I can't see a preview of this. Let me just go ahead and create a website based on this mirror one so we can have a look what's inside. You would go ahead and use these as a base, or you can use a completely different website, a completely plain one, and use their page builder. So this is the page themselves. I had to stop the video then for a couple of minutes because this took ages to load, but this is the page themselves. These are the elements you can change. So basically they've just taken this randomly, and you can go ahead and change all of this. So what you're buying here, sweep away all of this rubbish, is a very simple page builder, which you can pretty much get anywhere. You can get free versions of page builders, or if you're serious, you can get a paid version of a page builder. You don't need to buy ClickFunnels. You don't need to buy any of the really expensive ones. The one I use is $99. Or in fact, I think it's $14 a month now, and that's a brilliant page builder. Got so many templates in. Or if you're going to use even your autoresponders these days, like GetResponse, they've all got their own page builders. You don't need to go down this route. So anyway, if you want to build this, you can go ahead and change everything on here. They've got lots of different things here, but you know, guys, this is very low quality. And the idea is that I would build my page here and I would share it, and I'm going to show you the traffic I would share it to. Now again, you cannot use these pages. You can't use the mirror. You can't use Mr. Ronaldo's image. You can't use any of these images. They will all be copyrighted. You just cannot go ahead and start using these on your own sites. Now, If I just publish this through their site, it comes on a subdomain, and their subdomain is not going to get any traffic anyway, because nobody's ever going to see it. There's no SEO quality here. There's no kind of unique content here for Google to search on, so it's never ever going to rank. So the only way you're ever going to get anybody to see these pages is if you share the link to somebody directly. They're never going to find it organically, which is what a lot of the top blogs want you to do. They want you to actually find their content organically because it's unique content. So remember that if you haven't got, even if you've got your own website, using this content won't work. But the idea of this type of thing is to use unique content, or be able to provide links to people to go ahead and look at your information, or have a big marketing budget like somewhere like BuzzFeed has to pay to get on to the front pages of Google, etc. So guys, you would go ahead and publish this, and you would have this as your link to actually publish, and this would be the link you use. Or you can use your own domain, and you'd have to upload this onto your own domain, or use their software to redirect it to your own domain. So this is the actual page itself. Let's go ahead and preview this. I want to be able to see what this is like on the web. Now, it's not private, guys. This has got no chance of ranking anywhere. You're going to have so many issues. You'd have to put this over to your own website for it to work. And if you got your own website, all of the websites come with WordPress. They've got their own page builders. You would never need this. You really wouldn't. That's the actual site itself. It's come up in my browser, and the idea is I would come along here, and if there's any kind of links on here, I could click them over to my various links, and I would earn loads of money. Your problem is you will have absolutely nobody coming over to these sites. If I just click on that, I just wondering where it went. Again, nothing's working. That doesn't work. I just published this through the app. Is this going to work for me? No, nothing's working. Just getting free spinning wheels everywhere. So the whole thing's pretty low quality, guys, to say the least, and obviously it's not something I would recommend to you. Now let's have a look at the overall traffic. I'm really interested to see, let's have a look at what they said. Beginner friendly one-click software, any lucrative link you want in 45 seconds flat, floods of free cash in hand buyer traffic. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this traffic. And I knew it would be. It's Add to Any, which is a website that allows you to, that helps you provide links to your content for other people to go ahead and share, and for you to share. Great website, nothing wrong with this, but it's being used by all of these marketers to basically pretend this is free traffic. The only way this is free traffic, let me go ahead and have a look at this. Look at this Add to Any. You can get all of these types of buttons on Add to Any. The only way this is free traffic that you can share to anybody is if you've got an existing following on any of the platforms that this is providing to you. And here we are. Once I end up hitting share, you get all of these different places, all of this instant traffic. And you know, guys, unless you've got any kind of following on any of these, half of these you've never even heard of. Unless you get any kind of following on these, then where you're going to get your floods of buyer traffic from. Even when you do post to someone like Facebook, you haven't got buyer traffic on there. You just got people that follow you. So very, very poor. This isn't a traffic source, and same with all of these. I will leave a link to a video down in the description below, and it will talk to you about social media traffic and why this just isn't real, guys. So if you're new online, people are promising you free traffic from social media. It's absolutely garbage. So the only other things on here, guys, and again, this is repeating myself because I did this 6 weeks ago. There's a done for you pack here, and there is some upgrades here, and you can get some support here apparently, although I know these guys don't give support. But that's the product itself. So back over the sales page, you have all of these random images of financial proof. Doesn't really connect to anything, but this piece really intrigued me. So it's a 1, 2, 3. You can kind of get loads of money really quickly. When I get to this place, are you tired of the BS? Yeah, I really am tired of the BS, because these sales pages are absolutely full of it. So guys, let's jump straight down to the bottom. This is unlimited free traffic from that social media. You send free traffic to hundreds of converting offers. One click and you're in business. That wasn't one click, that was hundreds of clicks, you'd have to delete those entire pages because you can't use any of the information. 365-day guarantee. So I know this has been and again, a reasonably popular product on Warrior Plus because of the sales page. Issue there is I'm hoping that a lot of them take advantage of this 365-day guarantee, because none of them are going to make 1 penny with this. Now, if you do make any money from this, please leave me a comment below. Show me how you made money by using this software, Profitorial, Flood, whatever you're going to call it this week. You aren't going to make any money using this as your main way to make money online. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. I'm just trying to be as honest as possible and as real to you. If you do go ahead and make money with this particular product, I would love to hear it. Go ahead and leave a comment below. But the reality is most people are going to try and promote this just to make a few bucks themselves. They have no idea how it works. They have no idea or really care what you're going to do with it. And I actually do, right? I've been there before. I bought lots of different types of products like this before, and I know they're all a complete waste of time. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. Again, any questions or comments, leave them below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell if you're interested in hearing any more reviews. And guys, if you really want to build a business online, you've got to pick up our free training. You'll see the link in the description below. It's totally free, guys. You can go ahead and go through it. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But I recommend that because it's the way that I started out online. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. Until next time, take care.